No man on earth should give glory to himself. All the glory must be to the Lord. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today, let's make some refreshing pineapple lemon juice. So these are my ingredients. I'll be listing in the description box so you check it out. And with this recipe, I am recreating that of my sister Nanabe's kitchen. Sis, you are doing a great job. Keep it up. We love you. Yeah, but I'm adding a little twist to it. So I'm adding some turmeric to it. Yeah. So I prep my ingredients like I'm doing here and then straight into my blender. So I add a little water because my pineapple is sweet and very ripe. So these are my lemons. I have juice already, so I'll just add it to it and then just look at that. Look at the combination we are having here. So after straining all the juice from the chaff, I'll just scoop this foamy part of the juice and then voila, ready to be served. Just look at that, how beautiful, colorful, eye-catching it is. So I'll just drop this lemons into my picture and then serve my guests. So summer is here. Just try this refreshing pineapple lemon ginger turmeric juice and trust me, you are gonna love it. So thank you so much, family and friends, for the support so far. I really appreciate you guys. God bless you. Let's keep them coming. So see you in our next video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Enjoy this beautiful drink.